Ah, you guys thought I was gone forever, huh? Well, I'll talk about that in another video. But anyway, this is the Peachy Pathfinder, and it's time for our annual Christmas walk in Williamsburg with my club, and I'm on my way there. So, I will see you guys shortly once we check in. Okay guys, we made it inside the room. We are at the Best Western Historic Colonial Williamsburg on York Street. And the reason why we are here this year instead of just doing our normal walk is because last year when we did our walk, we were entered into a drawing for a free room for the entire weekend, and we won. So instead of just walking and going home this year, we actually have a room. And our room is actually adjacent to the meeting room. So we get to take our time this year. So let me just show you what the room is about. As soon as you come in, of course, you got your closet area, complete with your ironing board, dryer, of course your iron. That's very convenient, kind of hidden away near the door. Got your full bathroom set up in here. And when I mean full bathroom, it's not just a stand-up shower. You've got the shower as well as a full tub, which is really good. I'm going to need that as soon as I get done walking. I'm going to be ready for a soak, that's for sure. Toiletries. Not a large bathroom, but that's okay. I don't need that. I guess this is like a pull-out sitting area. You see, this is. Let me stumble a little bit. Yep, it is. Yep, it does. It pulls out. See, guys? And then you kind of push it back in. So I guess you kind of additional sitting, but we got sitting as well. Coffee maker, which is pretty cool. Desk. 2 queen-size beds. Phone. Lamp with plugs. Microwave. Television. Fridge. Dressers. Ice tray. And of course, this room goes into the meeting room area. And of course, you've got your window. Take a look at the view real quick. That's York Street. Sorry for the stumbling around. I guess I'll edit this a little bit before I upload it. That's pretty much the room. No frills, nothing fancy, but it'll do. See you guys later. I'm gonna head downstairs and grab me a late lunch.